Lefant LS100 Cordless Wet or Dry Vacuum Cleaner, the all-in-one solution for sparkling floors. The Lefant LS100 Cordless Vacuum Cleaner is a revolutionary cleaning appliance designed to simplify your floor care routine. This innovative device vacuums and mops simultaneously, offering a powerful, lightweight, and highly maneuverable solution for a truly comprehensive clean across your entire home. 2-in-1 wet and dry cleaning. The LS100 streamlines your cleaning process by vacuuming and mopping in one smart step. This eliminates the need for separate appliances, saving you time and effort. Real fresh water cleaning system. Unlike traditional mops that spread dirty water, the LS100 features a real fresh water cleaning system. This ensures that your floors are consistently washed with a clean roller brush, preventing the recirculation of grime and leaving surfaces truly spotless. Superior edge cleaning capabilities. Designed to tackle overlooked spots, the LS100 excels at cleaning along edges and into corners. This meticulous attention to detail ensures no gaps or hidden areas are left uncleaned, providing comprehensive coverage for your entire home. Lightweight and powerful design. Weighing in at just 2.65 kilograms, this vacuum is remarkably light, making it easy to carry and maneuver throughout your home, from room to room and even up and down stairs. Despite its light build, it delivers powerful cleaning performance. 170-degree lay-flat design. The unique 170-degree lay-flat design allows the vacuum to reach deep under furniture, beds, and other hidden areas, effectively removing dust and debris that traditional vacuums often miss. Cordless freedom. Enjoy uninterrupted cleaning from room to stair without being tethered by a power cord. The cordless design offers ultimate flexibility and convenience. Unique self-drive traction. The self-drive traction system makes cleaning your entire house feel effortless, almost like taking a leisurely walk, reducing physical strain. One-button self-cleaning. Maintain hygiene and performance with the one-touch automatic brush cleaning function. This convenient feature cleans the roller brush, ensuring it's fresh and ready for the next cleaning session. Multiple cleaning modes. The LS100 offers various modes to suit your specific cleaning needs. With the touch of a button, you can switch to a full wet mode for tackling dirtier areas, providing adaptable cleaning power. Multi-floor cleaning. This versatile cleaner is suitable for a wide range of hard floor surfaces, including sealed hardwood, tile, laminate, and more. Upright storage and easy charging. Designed for convenience, the LS100 can be stored upright, saving space, and features easy charging. Benefits. Time-saving efficiency. Combines vacuuming and mopping in one step, drastically cutting down cleaning time. Superior cleanliness. Ensures floors are washed with clean water, preventing the spread of dirt. Effortless maneuverability. Lightweight design and self-drive traction make cleaning less physically demanding. Comprehensive coverage. Excels at edge cleaning and reaching under furniture, leaving no spot untouched. Hygienic maintenance. Automatic self-cleaning keeps the brush fresh and odor-free. Unrestricted cleaning. Cordless design allows for freedom of movement throughout your home. Overall, the Lefant LS100 Cordless Wet or Dry Vacuum Cleaner is an outstanding all-in-one cleaning solution for modern homes. Its powerful suction, innovative freshwater system, superior edge cleaning, and user-friendly features like the lay-flat design and one-button self-cleaning make it an indispensable tool for maintaining impeccably clean floors with remarkable ease and efficiency. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more smart home and cleaning gadget reviews.